Hey guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading the interior of my Tacoma with some accessories that are specifically made for the interior of my Tacoma. If you guys don't know about the company TUFSKINZ, there's a good chance you're going to get addicted to some of their products because they make high quality and durable interior accessories that not only look good in your vehicle, but also protect your vehicle. So today with me, I have a couple of products from TUFSKINZ that I'm going to be putting on my Tacoma and reviewing for you guys. So let's get into it. So first off, I want to show you guys some of the products I got from TUFSKINZ. I have three things. So this one is an accent strip above the climate control, which is going to go right over here. And the color I got was an OEM color, Silver Sky Metallic, because the outside of my Tacoma is also Silver Sky Metallic. So it'll be really nice that this is color matched to my truck. I also got cup holder inserts for the cup holders up here. And lastly, cup holder inserts for the side pockets and for these little like coin holder areas, or I'm not really sure what they're actually meant for, but the areas up here. So when you order something from TUFSKINZ, this is what the packaging looks like. It's on a nice thick piece of cardboard and it's shrink wrapped, so it's really well protected, so nothing will get damaged when it gets to you. And also something cool is that TUFSKINZ products are all made to order, so all of this stuff is custom, and I'm going to talk about more customization and colors and stuff later in this video. But another thing I love about TUFSKINZ products is that they are all made in the USA. Also, I want to mention that the TUFSKINZ package came with installation and care instructions, which is also really nice. So we're going to be following these steps when we install them. So we're going to start with the accent strip above climate control. This is what the before looks like with nothing on it. This is pretty much a stock look. And per the installation instructions, we're going to apply an alcohol and water mixture onto this microfiber scratch resistant cloth so that we can thoroughly clean the surface before applying the product. I'm going to take the dry side so we can dry off any of the mixture that's left over. Alright, so now that our surface is prepped, we're going to take our TUFSKINZ product and open it up. Next, before peeling up the peel for the 3M grade adhesive, we're going to just dry fit the pieces to make sure they fit exactly and we have them in the right orientation. So that looks like it fits exactly right here, and then this smaller piece is going to fit right here. Wow, that makes such a big difference. That looks awesome. I'm excited to put these on. The next step is pretty self-explanatory. We're going to peel this off and stick it on. I'm so excited for the look of this, and it's just so easy to do, and it's going to spruce up my interior for the better. Gonna fit it on just like that, and boom. Wow, that makes such a big difference. Next, we're gonna do the other piece, and I do want to note that you want to make sure that the parts and the vehicle surface is between 70 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit when you're installing these, so you want to make sure it's not too hot outside or it's not too cold. There is the smaller piece. Very nice. So I'm absolutely in love with this accent strip. I think it looks so amazing, and it's kind of something I didn't know I needed until I found out about it. But I love how it brings some of the outside of my truck to the inside, and what's great is that TUFSKINZ makes OEM colors, so this is a perfect color match, and they have all the other colors for the other Tacoma, so you can get one that exactly matches the exterior color of your Tacoma too. Another color that I really liked and was considering getting, they have this also in the really nice and bright TRD red color, and I think that would have popped really well, so just know that you can get that too if that's the theme that you're going for. Another thing that makes this product really high quality is that there's actually 3 layers to it. The first layer is a superior UV doming resin that basically makes this thing really glossy, scratch resistant, and durable, of course. The second layer is the color itself, which consists of a variety of substrates, in my case a factory matched Silver Sky Metallic color. Another cool one that you can get is 100% real carbon fiber, which I think would also look really cool. The last layer on the back of this is the 3M automotive grade adhesive that creates a really strong and perfect bond to the surface of the vehicle, and it's what made it sticking on so easy. The next product we're going to open and install are the cup holders. So there's 2 that fit in the center over here, 2 that fit up front here, and 1 big piece that fits in the 2 cup holders over here. The Tacoma actually has quite a bit of cup holders. All right, so we're going to open. So these are really nice thick foam pieces that are going to fit exactly in the cup holders of the Tacoma. I did want to mention that I got them in black on black, so black cup holders with black accents, but they are also offered in a variety of color accents as well. So you can get like red, for example, and this interior little piece here will also be red, and there's lots of other colors you can choose from too. But first, we're going to clean out the actual cup holders the same way we did for the last piece we installed, because there are a couple crumbs and my cup holders are a little messy, so we want to make sure we do that. Also, fun fact for you 3rd gen Tacoma owners, this piece comes out for easy cleaning. I didn't know that till recently, but if you didn't know, now you know. Alright, so now that our cup holders are all nice and clean and free of debris, we're going to actually put the TUFSKINZ products inside. Now the great thing about these cup holders is, like the last product, they're also peel and stick, but the peel and stick is completely optional. So this is great because you can always take them out if you want to, or you can stick them in permanently. I'm going to just drop them in and not stick them in. I'm going to make sure that the brush lines are all facing the same way for each of the pieces for a matched look. So just drop it in. And that's it, super easy install. Now we're gonna do the rest of the pieces. I've never been really sure what this little square piece is. Maybe it's for coins or something. I know you can get like little boxes that fit in perfectly for this, but if someone knows officially why this thing is square, let me know in the comments down below. So here's what the after looks like for these products. They're non-absorbent, they're non-skid, and they help reduce noise too, so your cup won't be shaking around and making noise. So I love that feature about them. They're super functional and high quality, which is great. Another thing I wanted to mention about this product with this kit is you can also get the matching Qi enabled charger piece, but do note that if you do get that piece, your Qi enabled charger won't work because it has to have direct contact with your phone. So that's why I didn't get that piece, but if you're looking to completely match your interior, you can also get that piece. So the last thing we're gonna do are these cup holder pieces. We're gonna follow the exact same process we did for the last cup holders, except these ones are gonna go on the door pockets. So these big pieces are for the rear doors, these smaller ones are for the front doors, and these little tiny pieces are for what I mentioned before, the little pockets on the side up here. So we're not gonna stick them on like the last products, but I'm gonna clean out the door pockets thoroughly because I'm pretty sure there's like still dust from off-roading there. Just like we did before, we're gonna just easily place the product inside. And that's all there is to it. For these little side pockets, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's actually like a little carpet piece. So you can vacuum them out and then put the TUFSKINZ piece in, but you can actually just pull them out just like that. And then we're gonna clean them and then replace them with the TUFSKINZ product. We're gonna drop our TUFSKINZ product in just like we did all the other times. And there we go, very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed these nice little interior mods that really spruce up the look of the inside of my Tacoma from TUFSKINZ. Very easy to install, as you guys saw, and also they provide some protective features, which is nice. For watching this video, I have a discount for you guys on TUFSKINZ. It is ChloeKuo10. You can use that for 10% off your order on TUFSKINZ. I already have them on this truck, but another TUFSKINZ product we're eventually going to do on the TRD Pro I'm rebuilding is we're going to put the raised Tacoma tailgate letters on the TRD Pro. So that'll be in one of the rebuild series episodes if you guys are following that. The reason we're choosing a TUFSKINZ product for that is because, like I said before in this video, TUFSKINZ Products has those 3 high quality layers associated with them. And if you choose to get metal tailgate raised letters, they can easily get little dents and chips from rocks if you go off-roading in them, salt damage if you live in a snowy area, etc. So you won't have those problems with using a TUFSKINZ product. So more to come on that project, but anyways, just wanted to say that I love my new TUFSKINZ products for my interior. The OEM color match products look great and just like factory, and if you're looking for something easy to do on your Tacoma, this is a great mod to do. If you want to connect more with me, you can follow me on my Instagram. I post more live updates of what I'm doing with my Tacoma on there. I am at ChloeKuoTaco. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!